How to Bluetooth pictures from iPhone to Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to Bluetooth pictures from iPhone to Android. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. You need to note that currently I don't have access to iPhone, but if you have both the iPhone and Android devices, you simply need to go ahead and open any web browser. And after that, you need to search for snapdrop.net. And you simply need to search for the site that is snapdrop.net and search for it. And make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And on your iPhone, you will see your Android device listed. Simply tap on it and select Photo Library and choose the photo or video you want to transfer. You can select multiple items at once, then tap Add to save them. On your Android device, you need to tap Save when the files are received. Open your file manager, then you simply need to go ahead and open on your download folder. And then you will find all the transfer photos and videos on your downloaded folder on your file manager. And that's it. Transferring your media from iPhone to Android is that simple. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.